Tired of watching your savings languish in a low-interest checking account? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a simple way to earn interest on your spare cash while still having easy access to your funds? That's where PocketGuard comes in. Now, you might be thinking, PocketGuard? Isn't that just for budgeting and tracking expenses? Well, you're partially right. But PocketGuard has evolved, and one of its exciting new features is the ability to earn interest on your saved money. Before we dive in, let's quickly recap what PocketGuard does. It's a personal finance app that helps you understand your spending habits, create budgets, and track your progress towards financial goals. But now, with its interest-earning feature, it's become even more powerful. So, how exactly does it work? First, you need to link your bank accounts to PocketGuard. This allows the app to track your income and expenses automatically. Next, you'll want to identify your savings goals within the app. Whether it's a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or simply building an emergency fund, PocketGuard helps you set and visualize your targets. Now comes the exciting part, setting aside funds for interest. PocketGuard allows you to easily round up your purchases and automatically transfer the spare change to your savings account. This roundup feature is a fantastic way to save effortlessly. Finally, watch your savings grow. PocketGuard partners with FDIC-insured banks to offer competitive interest rates on your saved funds. You can easily monitor your earnings within the app and track your progress towards your financial goals. But why choose PocketGuard for your interest-earning needs? Ease of use. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to navigate and utilize the interest-earning features. Accessibility. Your funds remain easily accessible whenever you need them. Security. PocketGuard employs robust security measures to protect your financial information. Budgeting integration. Seamlessly integrate your savings goals with your overall budget for a holistic approach to financial management. Now, you might be wondering, is it safe to earn interest within an app? Absolutely. PocketGuard partners with reputable banks that are FDIC insured, ensuring the safety of your funds. Ready to start earning interest on your savings? Download the PocketGuard app today. It's available on both iOS and Android devices. For a limited time, new users can even enjoy a special introductory offer. Click the link in the description below to learn more and get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Happy saving!